even though it's not quite time. So many people dig up the elephant garlic on the solstice. We need the bed, so we're going to dig them up so you can use it. They're so big, you need a fork to pull them up. That. I'm going to take them home and dry them. Got a lot to say. Have you, Reg? They've got little babies. Look at that. It's huge. These are all the elephant garlic. I've cut the roots off and the tops, and they're going to go in my little tunnel there, because it's supposed to rain tomorrow and I've got nowhere else to, so I like to cut the tops off as much as possible and then let them dry there. Reggie thinks he's helping. These are the corms. What do you want? Always have something to say. There, you're right, they're corms, and they'll be next year's, won't they? Next year's elephant garlic. Shh! Don't always have to be vocal. So there's loads of them. And all these little things, I will be planting them to become, the second year they'll become like this. And then they'll grow bigger and bigger. Like this one. It's huge. Still has a few little corms on here. Well worth growing. I love it.